Very good day everyone. My name is ISHWARJEET, matrix card number CE200095, and today I'll be telling you guys a little bit about our company. Introduction: the increased growth of building and residences increases the need for electric energy in real life. So people who are also in economic crisis, which require them to pick energy efficient houses in order to lower their annual electric bill cost. Due to unsustainable supplies, one of the finest approaches to address this issue is by implementing energy efficient development. Our company, Hasmus Energy Sdn Bhd, founded in June 2016, is a value-added construction engineering business based in Malaysia that provides creative and efficient building services. We design, develop, and build residential spaces using energy-efficient electrical systems that have low environmental effect. So we take pride in meeting and exceeding our client expectations by providing cost-efficient solutions, highly specialized expertise, and customer-focused approach. We are committed to providing our clients with the best service available in our business. For our project, every part of the building designs and construction has tightly linked with energy-saving technologies. Moving on, our company culture at Hasmus Energy Sdn Bhd is to provide dependable and inexpensive energy to the world, while also keeping in mind that we need to do it in a sustainable manner. So our company motto is "Let us light up your world." So in order to create a better future, we must take precise measurement and deliver a more trustworthy future to next generation by planning and developing household in sustainable method. Our company mission is to fulfill our customer satisfaction, be it in terms of efficiency, reliability, or to provide professional engineering service and fully high standard quality work to get a reasonable price. So this is our company organization, and we have five main roles for this, which is project director, Mr. EDRY, project manager, ISHWARJEET myself, chief electrical engineer, Mr. Recher, senior consultant, Mr. AKHYAAR, and architect, Mr. Muhammad SYAMIL. Summary of the issue. So 11th plan is based on the Malaysian National Development Strategy. The 11th Malaysia Plan will focus a disproportionate amount of attention on the people, with citizens acting as the focal point of all development operations in the country. So the rising cost of material, the high cost of labor, and the speed of development and construction regulation make it unfeasible for the developer to create home with lower cost electrical design. So UEM Sunrise Bride has requested our consultant firm to design and develop an energy efficient building. Therefore, our company will design an electrical system which satisfies all these requirements to ensure utilization of electrical energy for the houses can be cost efficient despite using it for a long time and a high demand. This will be our construction site, and we decided to do our construction at Taman Scientist Jaya, which is in SINGH, Johor. And this is due to building nearby to ease the resident in their daily life.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Abu AKHYAAR bin MURAD, matrix number DE 2096. Now I'm going to explain the methodology of the project. So first is the project workflow. Our project is carried out according to this workflow. So to start, when we receive the project, we decide the suitable location for the new housing development. We choose a location which near to the facilities like schools, healthcare and shops. And then we decide the design of the house floor plan. Next, up from the design, we choose and select the electrical component for the houses. And after that, since we need to do a cost-effective energy saving building, we calculate the electrical component. We did a analysis on the electrical system, the power rating, the maximum demand on all that. And if it is not suitable for energy saving, we redesign and reselect the electrical component. But if we confirm that it can apply the energy efficient building, we proceed with drawing the draw floor plan. The floor plan is designed on AutoCAD, and then we also after that we also proceed with electrical plan drawing. It also designed on AutoCAD, and lastly we design the single line diagram, which represent the electrical distribution infrastructure.
My name is Muhammad bin ELIAS, and I'm going to continue with analysis and discussion. So as we can see here below, on the left side we have a table of the list of appliances that we are going to install into the house. So for the connected load such as lamps, for lighting, air conditioners, and some other electrical appliance installation should be chosen with the one that has energy efficiency label with 5 star to ensure that it stays within our objective of having less energy consumption. As for lighting, LED lamps are much more suitable to be chosen over halogen or our traditional lamp, which is the fluorescent lamp, which consumes much more energy. Although the LED lamps consume less energy, but it dissipates the same brightness in lumen. Next, we are going to see the table below. We have two types table. The first one, the total maximum demand with energy efficiency design, and the second one is the total maximum demand without energy efficiency design. So when we compare both of the table, having the same amount of appliances, but we have changed the lighting appliances, such as the fluorescent light with the downlight LED. After calculation, as we can see, the total maximum demand between the two of them are different, and we can see that using downlight LED, it consumes less total maximum demand compared with the plant that use the fluorescent light. Next, we're going to show the proof by calculating the electrical tariff. Electrical tariff is the charge set by the TNB for the supply electricity throughout residential area. Below table is the tariff rates in effect provided by TNB, and this is the calculation for both of the previous table. For at the top is the calculation for the estimation efficiency energy design for 1 month, and below is the estimation of electric cost without the efficiency design for 1 month. As you can see, the total maximum that with the cost efficiency will only reach until 1,270 ringgit, while without the efficiency design it will reach up to 1,555.9 ringgit, which is almost 300 of difference. It is a significant amount. And next, the final is the table below, which specify the cable size in millimeter, which is suitable for each of the usage. It is important to identify the proper cable before installation is done. This is to control the risk management and susceptibility in long-term use. Having installed undesignated cable size could bring the risk of damaging the equipment due to voltage drop or having the insulation melt because of overheating as a result of current overload.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Umar. So for today, I'll be explaining about the simulation for our project. So the software that we use is AutoCAD, and here is the single line diagram, which have 1.5 mm PVC for here. And from the living hall, we have 6 ampere. We got a spare for 6 ampere, and the bedroom, toilet, kitchen, and dining room 6 ampere. And we got 2 RCCB for 2 water heaters each, 32 ampere for 2 aircon of 1 horsepower. Then we got 32 ampere for 2 13 amperes outlet socket, which have 12 of them, and one more 32 ampere for 1 spare. And down here we got the meter and the cut-off fuse and neutral line. That's all. And so for the next part is the floor plan for our project. The house got 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom and 2 smaller rooms. And starting from here is the porch and the front door, going to the hallway. And then we meet the living room. Then we see the dining room and the kitchen, and we have 2 toilets, 1 toilet for the master bedroom and 1 toilet for everyone else. And we got the back door here. And so last but not least, we got the electrical schematic diagram for the floor plan of our project. Here is the porch. So this is the hallway, living room, dining room, kitchen, the second bathroom, the master bedroom, the first toilet, and 2 smaller bedrooms. So we have 2 solar floodlights at the porch. We have 1 LED downlight for the hallway, and it's connected to a switch, one-way switch. And at the living room, we have 1 chandelier, 1 ceiling fan, and 1 aircon, and 3 outlet sockets. The chandelier and fan is connected to the outlet switch, one-way switch. Then next is the dining room, which have 4 LED downlights and 1 ceiling fan. It also has 1 outlet socket, and all of these components is connected to a one-way switch each. Then we go to the kitchen. We have 4 LED downlights and 1 wall fan and 1 exhaust fan, and also 4 outlet sockets. And for the toilet, we have 1 LED downlight and 1 heater point outlet, which is the LED downlight is connected to the switch, one-way switch. Next is the master bedroom. The master bedroom consists of 4 LED downlights, 1 ceiling fan, and 1 air conditioner. And its toilet also has 1 LED downlight and 1 water heater point. And for both of the smaller rooms, they each have 2 LED downlights and 1 ceiling fans, and all of them are connected to one-way switch each. And each of them also has 1 electrical outlet socket.
Hello, my name is Recher REPAI, DE 200117. So I'm going to present to you the conclusions for the project. So in building a household, a lot of proper measures taken in order to impress the customer or to take care the reputations of the company involved. So one of the concerns that is always being the head start of interest in customer is the location of the newly built household. This is because when the place is strategic, and it is near to all of the resources, transportation, accessing new markets, and so on. It will ease the owner to call for helps or buy any necessary appliances when there is a blackout in the house, cut off power system in house, or even to have a long term in staying the chosen household. Then for the other significant thing that we should always put in any of the company's priority during nowadays is to have an energy efficient building. This is because the adoption of energy efficiency techniques during the construction and operation of buildings will play a crucial role in creation of sustainable cities in the future. So energy efficient building is important because it is not only lower the maintenance requirements, but it also help in lessening the detrimental effects of climate change and help. This is due to the lower greenhouse gas emissions. For example, no usage of air conditioner, but instead install an air ventilation which doesn't produce any greenhouse gas and not becoming a factor of climate change. And moreover, besides the proposed energy efficient buildings in the new household, organized electrical system also play an important role in building a good household. So it is important to realize that the total electrical system is comprised of the electrical service, as well as lighting outlets and range of appliances that are hardwired. An organized and balanced electrical system also will ease the maintenance or easy to figure out the root of the problems when there is a trip or short circuit of electric in the house. And that's all from me. Thank you.